dear student, good morning to all. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So let's begin the chapter number 10, Play with Patterns. So children, first question arises in your mind, what is patterns? Where do you generally see patterns? Yes, we see patterns on the floor tiles, window grills, sari and borders also, and many more things, right? When a design is repeated in a uniform way, we call it a pattern. So let us now learn what patterns are and different type of patterns. Okay. So read it. A pattern is a set of numbers, shapes or any objects that repeated over and over again. For example, you can see here one triangle, circle, then after triangle. Okay. Again you will see circle, triangle, circle, triangle, then circle. So what did you observe, children? Are you seeing any pattern? It is repeated pattern. So first is circle, then after triangle. So what will come next? Circle, triangle. Again it is repeating circle, triangle, circle, and what will come next? Triangle. Right? Now look at the next example. Observe carefully here. Children, you can see that the arrows are pointing in clockwise direction this way. You can see here is a arrow, you can see horizontal, then vertical downside, again horizontal and vertical. So you can see here it is on clockwise direction. Okay. So you can see it is getting repeated. Okay. Now example C, here some numbers are shown 1, 2, 3. Then again here is 1, 2, 3. Then again 1, 2, 3. So what did you observe, children, here? Here three numbers are repeating again and again. 1, 2, 3. Then again it is repeating 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Let's learn more about pattern here. You can see, children, over here this pattern. What is the rule behind this pattern? Can you guess it? As every you know that as every pattern has some rules. So you can see that first triangle is pointing up. Are you seeing? First triangle is pointing up and other triangle is pointing down, and these are repeated again. First triangle is pointing up and second triangle is pointing down, and again third triangle is pointing up. That is repeated. It is repeating here. Okay. Then after fourth triangle is pointing down. Okay. So also we can say this is repeated pattern. So children, we can say when object, shapes and numbers are repeated uniformly in a specific way, a pattern is formed, right? Now we will discuss about growing pattern. Look at this pattern, children. First we read, if some patterns and design grow with straight lines, they are called growing patterns. I have drawn a new pattern, but it keeps on growing. It does not repeat. So which pattern is this? Are you seeing, children? It is having a rule. Can you guess? See, we have one triangle and one square, two triangles, two square, three triangles and three square. That is, we use the rule. Here we use 1. Here we use 2. Okay. Here we use 3. So let's draw what will come next. Yes, here will be 4 triangles and 4 squares. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles and 4 after triangle 4 squares. So children, can you tell me after 4 triangles and a square what shape will come next? Yes, we get 5 triangles and 5 squares. So we can say this is a growing pattern because it grow. It started from 1 and came up to 4. So we can say this is the growing pattern. Now let's look at the next one. Observe carefully. Here is the series of blocks which is growing. Okay. Here is how many block? 1 block. Here is 3. 1, 2, 3. Now how many blocks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here when you count it you will get 7 blocks. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks. So children, you can see here clearly it is growing. Here is 1 and after 2 here 3 blocks are here. Then 4 is not here. Here is 5. Okay, then 7, then 9. So can you tell me how many numbers of block next will come? Yes, after 2. So 9 after 2, 9, 10, 11. Here will come 11 blocks. So we can say this is the example of growing pattern. Now look at this pattern children. Here is a star. It is so easy. Here is only 1 star. Then after you can see here is 2 stars. So 1, 2. Here is 3, 4, 5. So it is growing up. Okay. So next one will come 6 star. So these all are example of growing patterns. Now come to the page number 148. Try this also. Children, are you seeing here some pattern? So can you guess it? Which type of pattern is this? Yes, these are growing patterns. So let's see first one. Children, if you see carefully in here is 1 block. Now if you count, here is 1 block or you can say 1 square. If here is 1 square, then here is total 4 square. But if you see carefully, only we will see downsides squares in horizontal way. So here is 1 and 2. Okay. When we go in next shape, here is we can see 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Okay. So here we can see here 1, here is 2 square, here is 3. Okay. Now we see in vertical way. So again we can see here is 1. Here vertically 2 square, 1 and 2. Here is 1, 2 and 3. So which type of shapes will come next? So downside in horizontal way there will be a 4 square. Here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. So here should be 4. 4 in horizontal way and 4 in vertically. So let's start to draw. So here I have drawn 4 squares horizontally and 4 vertically. Similarly, after 4, what will come? Just keep in your mind children, here is the growing pattern. So after 4, 5 will come. So here I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this side. And upside also we have to show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say this is the growing pattern. Same way we have to do in triangles. Here is one triangle, here is total, if you count total 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is more than 4, but we have to count only downside. Here is 1, 2, 3. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here will be 7. Okay, so let's start to draw. See here, I have drawn here. I have little bit increase. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this way you have to draw here, but downside it should be 9 triangles. Okay, so children, you will draw yourself. Now look at the next one. What are you seeing, children, here? Here is a straight line in horizontal way. Okay, now here how many straight line? 1 and 2. Here we have counted 1 only, then it is increased by 2. Then when we see next, just count it 1, 2, 3. Okay, now count next one. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you observe, children? Here again it is growing. Okay, here is only 1, here is 2, 3, 4. So what? How many lines should come next? Yes, here will be 5. So let's draw 5. So I am going to draw here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we can meet it, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5 what will come? 6. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then after, because it is growing pattern, so we increase one more line. So here will be 7. So children, you will draw here 7 line. Okay, next question is my own pattern. Children, you have done this in notebook, but here you have to draw in your textbook. So here is your space to make your own pattern. So any patterns you can draw. It should be a growing pattern also. Okay, it should be number patterns or it should be repeated patterns. After drawing here your own patterns, you will show to me.